Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be taking you step by step on how to create an Imo account in this tutorial. Let's get started. Start by opening Imo on your device. Tap on Allow for Imo to make and manage calls. Now enter your phone number. Tap on blue tick once you're done. Now confirm your phone number. If it is incorrect, then tap on Edit. If it is correct, then tap on OK. Tap on OK. Tap on Allow. Now enter your full name. Then tap on blue tick at top right once again. You can keep your profile picture if you want to. If not, simply tap on blue tick at the top. Tap on Allow. And that is how to create an Imo account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.